Hey everybody, Lois, Threlkel, ladiesofjusticeleague.com. Look at this fabulous backdrop right here. That's really cool.
That's nice.
So here we have a vendor at our real estate club meeting. Now, do you have a club of any kind?
So we do, as you can see, our beautiful banner. No, I'm just kidding.
Oh, wait,
Those are the
that's
banners.
Iran. So is that.
Just kidding. Our banners aren't up yet, but we're Sam's Real Estate Club.
Here, let me
As
see.
You can see
Sam's Real Estate
So just think of Sam's Club. But Sam's with real estate in between the two words.
Right, not Costco, Sam's Club. That's
At this club, we offer mentorship for anyone who's trying to learn how to invest in real estate, specifically wholesaling, fix and flipping, or if you're trying to learn any sort of creative strategy, that's what we focus here. So we will give you the education, we'll help you find the deals, how to analyze the deals, acquire the deal. And if you don't have the financing in place, we also have private lending. So we are like what I like to call a one-stop shop. We have monthly in-person meetings in West Covina, and great, that's through our
here's a QR code.
yeah, that's the QR code for the next meeting.
Syndication.
So we have vendor tables, we have networking as well as a different speaker each month, and they're always free. We also have Zoom meetings, so if you can't make it in person, there's no excuse. You can always join us in Zoom.
Anybody can get on Zoom.
Exactly.
So this is Greater Los Angeles Real Estate Investors Association, is that right?
Yes, and Sam's Real Estate Club is the parent company to Greater LA REIA.
Okay, and what's the best way for people to find you?
Best way to find us, you can just go online, go to glareia.com to find the association in West Covina, or you can go to samsrealestateclub.com to find the Sam's Real Estate Club.
Fabulous.
Thank you.
Thank you for your time. Fabulous club, and yeah, you guys gotta go check it out. Lois Threlkel, ladiesofjusticeleague.com. Comment, like, share, subscribe. See you soon. Bye, Ellie.
Bye.